Hi folks, and welcome to the first episode of the Fairmont Futura with Vortec 4200 build. So, first up we want to get all the unnecessary components out of the engine bay. Oh hey Calvin! Wow, you've been getting a lot of stuff done in here.
I haven't eaten for weeks!
Oh, well good job and keep up the good work.
No! Not again! No!
Anyway, moving on to some more stuff.
I'm still here.
So, over here on the weight reduction program, we have things that are being removed from the car are the bumper supports, the bumperettes, the sway bar, which we're not sure right now if we want to put a sway bar in later, air conditioning condenser and tank, some electronics, the smog canister, door braces for both doors, and some of the door skin. Lastly, we have the bumper, but we want to keep the bumper because it's made out of aluminum and it's super light, 12.8 pounds. So this brings us to a grand total here of all the stuff on the table, 81.5 pounds. The car weight with engine and transmission, but no driver, was 2,810 pounds. So 28 pounds is roughly 1% of the car weight. So everything on the table is about 3% of the car weight, which is awesome. Next, we want to start taking stuff out from the inside of the car. busy removing all the seats and interior, and we weighed everything, and you can see all the weights all around on the screen for everything. And we estimate that we will be removing permanently 96.8 pounds of the material, or about 3.5% of the total car weight. So things that will not be going back in the car include the passenger seat, which will be removed during racing because of its weight. It's almost 37 pounds. Other things include the back seat will go away, seat belts, although we'll be putting in other seat belts later, insulation of various kinds, floor mats, armrests, tire iron, headliner, and floor insulation. So let's get back to work and take out some of the sound deadener on the floor. Hey Calvin,
What's going on?
what you up to?
Well, something that a lot of people overlook is how much your sound deadener weighs. So I took all of this out of my Fairmont when we did my Fairmont station wagon, and it was like over 50 pounds, so can't wait to see how much it weighs. So one of the great things about a Fox Body platform is they're already a light car. And they also offer a lot of convenient places to remove weight easily. For example, the sound deadener. This added up to a total of 28 pounds, or another 1% of the vehicle weight. So let's keep going.
Calvin removed 42.1 pounds from the dash, including HVAC unit, ductwork, and so forth. Dad also lightened the bumper, taking it down 22.3 pounds. And we also removed 4 hubcaps, the spare tire, and the car jack. So for this video, we removed in total 311.1 pounds, or 11% of the car weight.
Now this is a naturally aspirated engine, so we can only make as much power as that will make. We can't just turn up the boost. So if you were to calculate the amount of horsepower that it would take to overcome the weight that we took off in this video, it would equate to about 40 horsepower. So there's more than one way to gain horsepower than just adding a turbo.
Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like, and see you around.